This is a demo of the pass rates charting tool, and what this does is gives me an overview of the pass rate for each operations unit. The ones that aren't showing, this is only the last 24 hours, so some of them aren't showing, and that's because there wasn't actually any testing performed for those units. However, I could update this interval to 2 weeks. That'll give me that. And I can also compare these using an XY chart by simply changing the view. From here, or from the previous screen, I can click on the unit that I would like to get some more information on. So I'm going to look at the platformer unit. I do that, I get this nice history line for just that unit. I've isolated that. And I'm going to switch that to 2 months and look for one that doesn't look too good. Now when I click this, it's going to give me the product distribution, so I can see all the different products that failed and the number of failures. And I'm going to investigate the light straight run. By clicking on that, I've opened up the testing. It defaults to the test only the components that have the specification limits, and that's just, most of the time you're only interested in the ones with specs. However, if I wanted to see all the components, I just click on this checkbox and it's going to give me all of them. So I can close this out and I can go back and recall that I changed the interval in this panel. If I go to the previous, it's going to actually update the interval on that panel as well. I can change the view back, and I can just continue to sort of play around with it. So I think that covers it pretty well as far as what's going on there. Take a look at that product. And plenty of testing there. So that's all for the pass rates overview.